It's up to you. One song can spark a moment. One flower can walk the dream. One tree can start a forest. One bird can herald spring. One smile begins a friendship. Our hand clasp lifts a soul. One hand clasp lifts a soul. One star can guide a ship at sea. One word can frame the goal. One word can change a nation. One sunbeam lights a room. One candle wipes out darkness. One love will conquer gloom. One step must start each journey. One hope will raise our spirits. One touch can show you care. One voice can speak with wisdom. One heart can know what's true. One life can make the difference. You see, it's up to you.